What's up? Welcome back, YouTube. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlogs. Welcome back. Thanks to everyone who's been liking, sharing up the last video. Them, my people. Thanks and respect and love go to everybody, my people. The video that generated up to about 20,000 views. No joke. Super duper fast too, right? And for the people them out there who are bash, the comment and stuff like that. This is me never put out the video. A, I disrespect anybody. B, I just attack what me know. You understand? When I attack what you know, the other people them know, or you're experiencing. I just attack what me know from the experience what me go through with people. And what people come and tell me. Right? The stories that people come and tell me. So I say I go share it with one of the people them. So if Ono can differ yourself from do it or do it properly or don't do it at all. One man I go say everybody's situation is different and this and that because you live a foreign, you don't know hard. Some people have to take it. Yes, me know say it hard everywhere, daddy. Our sister, Yes, we know that, But me never tell no man to run off, or me not tell somebody to run off. Me say if you're going to run off, you do it properly, strategically or whatever. You understand? That's all me that try to say, That's all me come to try to say, for open up awareness to somehow, because somehow don't think when I come here and run off things that better rules. And the same family putting out, the same woman who says she love and put out, the same man who says them love the woman who put you out in a cold out if you go live. Yeah? Same friend them who you say you and them are going to run off together, and them left you a road for dead. Alright? So me just get that out of here straight. That. So welcome back again, my people. To everybody, you don't know it's a boy. What? J416-876 Jamaica, my people. People, I have to talk a little bit louder than this one because we have some background music and I don't really want it to pick it up. You understand? But people, you see the vlog I'm come to make today now. And really this one me come to make today now. Me really come to make I post a different video when me go to Mexico because I have a couple of hotel review and a beach review. Right? So I don't have to post them video today. But I don't want the topic to get too old and I don't know so the earthquake topic come to talk about and the construction of the houses in Jamaica. Alright, so the earthquake coming on my people. The earthquake come and lick over Jamaica, And all of Jamaica get lick over for 15% of Jamaica. You see that? And that was just a local 15% a local part of them. Imagine some area. What you know? Why me really build the video here now because of the construction of the work sites and stuff like that. Because you don't know say we start the channel here because we build a house of Jamaica. We still build the house of Jamaica. It's still not done yet. Right? So me say, you know what? Me I go do a video upon this. Reason why my people, you see a lot of me go try get the clips them and play the videos them over this, right? So you see why me build the video here and why me I talk about it, right? So imagine now my people, you go to a bomb now, See, a lot of people overseas and same thing in a Jamaica. And then I take heed when people come and talk to you. Sometimes same so me stay to When people come and talk to me, I not take heed, I not listen. And sometimes we have to really sit back and listen, You understand? And all the time I want to listen, but sometimes we just listen, Alright now, boom. You build a house at Jamaica and you live say in Toronto, yes, right? Remember, if you go upstairs, remember your foundation must be all 4 feet, Alright? Remember that, See, some of them workmen now, me see them, I thought workman, mason, contractor, and even the developer himself, and even the man where I build them house. Sometimes we try to shortcut ourselves, and when we shortcut ourselves, we get shot in our leg. Yeah, man. You ever hear say shortcut draw more blood? No joke. No joke to it. No joke. Because what you know say you build a upstairs house, right? And you go upstairs. See when me build my house, I go show you the videos them, Man ask me, the man say, yo, you go upstairs or you just go make a flat. I say, you know what? We just go make a flat. But the part I say, yo, we done gone 4 feet or 3.5 feet over here already, So you want to do? I say, Lord, because you never know what Father God might do down the line. And say, if go up and, you understand? Some people, when I see them build all them foundation, people, see it, See it, me I try to put in the camera. See it, For 1.5 feet. Oh, that be sturdy enough for the house. All that to be sturdy, you know, full and some of the people out there want big house. And some of the people, some of the workman, some of the mason man too, you know, contractor and some of the hypocrite too, you know, because when you get the people in plan and know what the people them want, right? And just because I know have half shot some people work, when I cut the work and stuff like that, or even offload it to a local next man, a local youth who not even know what they do. You understand? And some of it, you know, overseas, you know, we need to stop, take the time now and go back home. Yes, man, and start from scratch. Yeah, man, see, when the foundation of build, you must dare. Yeah, man, go put a hammer or what them call them thing there? A pickaxe and a shovel and take up some dirt. Cut all yourself like me when I do over there. Shoot, get the land some blood. Yeah, man, no joke now, night. Because imagine now you sit down a foreign and this massive man or whoever I take picture and I send to you a video. All of them things here. And you sit down over here and I say, yes man, my house are going good, my house are ready up. Yeah man. You understand? You go so bam now and go a yard and you don't see your house. How you go feel? Because you never take the time out of your life. You see, you know what? Make me fly go a yard, go look for my property. Imagine all that, you know, my people. The video, you see the video go out there, where the man a build him house. No, him house not a build, the house done build. And the earthquake come and take away one flat floor gone. The house drop down upon him. Not on him, you know. The house drop down upon that floor, you know. So that floor is gone, you know. So what I come for show you say? Poor constructionship. And you see why house have to build different in the Caribbean and why them have to see why them have to change all the rebar, steel stuff them to rebar over rebar. Remember I used to use a 3/4 wire and that me used to build my house too, you know. But when I see the knowledge again, me never perform to the knowledge if you say you know what Jay. Boom, a steel pan steel now. A that I run it. Cause uptown code and all that, you know. But some people still use the rebars them. The 3.75 inch wire. See them we still, you know. But the right standard is now is steel rebar, rapid steel rebar. Right? So that's the proper standards right now. Right? So now, imagine that now. And see, alright, what you know now? Sometimes you all have a couple man that work on your house and the mason them work on your house and just because they want to finish up or hurry up. Remember, you know, you they are foreign, you know. You don't know if they put steel in all of them column there. You don't know if they mix this and this thing too, you know. Mixing the cement is a tedious task too, you know. And if you mix it wrong, you know. Because some man cannot mix it and not put enough cement in it so it not go hole, you know. And just use bio material and waste up all the material them, you know. You not even know that, you know. Yeah man, you buy all 50 bag of cement when you look at 30 bag gone, you know, one day and say, how comes? How comes? And see again, let me tell you something. See, nobody not have our interest or your best interest. Here, nobody have your best interest in life. You have your own interest in life. Because see, when you build a property in Jamaica, let me tell you something. Your mother not have your interest, your father not have your interest, your sister not have no interest, the mason man not have no interest. Nobody have an interest if the money is not right. Alright? Remember me tell you that you have to get up off of your ass. Alright? So what me go take care of your place, sir? If you have no interest in your own place, you not fly down to come look upon it. Me can tell you all lies. All sort of lies me can tell you. Everything you call me and say, yo, how is the house doing? Me say, you know, so the house right now, a deck man almost ready for go deck off the house, you know, daddy. Me send all a decking video and show you. And I say some people get slap with Jamaica, you know, because no, hard. Some people have working at them foreign country, you know, just because they want to try to build up a one roof over for them head, you know. For come back home, you know, because them don't want to come tarry with no friend, you know. And I want to see them want to come and rob up all the man them money, you know. See, right now, winter time, and me I tell you this, a whole heap of people that really happy for go back home right now at Jamaica, right now, for avoid the winter, say, yo, boom, but 90, probably 75% of it will live a foreign. And even probably more, don't have a roof over our head. what we can call our home and say, yo, my house this, or my room this. And we dey over here send money. Some people send money for 20 odd years and still can't see a property done yet, you know. You understand? Some just ask one of the people over here. So listen, nobody have your best interest. So when you build a house, please go down there when the foundation start. Because you see the earthquake there, it's a long time supposed to make all the video, you know. But the earthquake just come and show me a vibe and say, bro, I have to make the video upon the earthquake. Me see earthquake come, and one day everybody go on a God mode. God frenzy, God this, God that. And the next 2 days are double and triple. Not down. Go on a Jamaica. So wait, so only call upon God when you have a problem. You don't call upon God all when everything good, you know. That's why God take with some of blessings of that, me make you know. All when nothing now go on faith call upon God, all when you're rich and out there, so you have to still call upon Father God because a Father God make you have that. Some of the Jamaican mentality but don't understand how you see them things, you know. It's like you only call upon your family remembers them when you're down, but when you're up in your life, you never pick up your phone and say, hey Jay, hey bro, hey sis, you're good? Then things then are right. But you only call upon the people when you're down and broke and out. Same like how some man call upon God when the earthquake happen, right? Hold on your head and start pray and start preach. And I say nothing wrong with that, at least you find back Father God for the one day there, but what happened to the other day them? What happened to the other day them? Earthquake gone. So just be a monster, just rise up back again. You see, I just say place around. So our next video now, me that's it on it. Man, you been tube. No, I think on Facebook, me see the one upon. I think the man must spend about 15 years afar. I don't know which foreign country. And him finally get a chance to go back to Jamaica and if you see how the people them build the man house. I think I have the video, I'm going to try to post the video. In it. People, some, like me saying to my people, you're from no money now running up. Your family members, they do not care about your project because it's not their project. Alright, it's not their project, so them now gonna take up the responsibility to say, yo, let me try. Alright, for instance, you live you build a house up at Red Hills, and because you buy a piece of land up there, nobody real up there, so your family have to come from Portmore now. If you drive go up at Red Hills, if you just go check out the property for you and take 2 pictures. If you're not sending gas money and food money and money in them pocket, you know, nobody is going, you know. Remember me tell you that, you know, and no matter how much you come to Jamaica and you give them phone, you give them TV, you give them mic, however you buy them this, or you buy them that, or you buy them, you bring down some pullover if you come give them whatever, some tooks and tams and all of them things, 2 camera, send them money all the time when them hungry. And me I tell you this, them nah take it out and feed them time. If you say, yo, let me drive, go up a Billy house. If you see what the Macy boy them up there do, because you don't know, no, Billy our one, you know. And Billy always have us back, and Billy always a give you, and Billy always a do this. But as soon as Billy can't send her money for you go up there, you can't go up there. You understand? And that's how the mindset is for a lot of people. If it's not people, let me tell you something. Me go through it, you know. If it's not their project, they don't really care. They might show 1-2 interest, you know. But fully 100, they don't care about your project. Your project, you can lose $350 million on your house tomorrow and nobody don't care because it's not your money spending. And a them are hurt, and a them are go ball, and a them are not cry. And you alone are go sit down in that dark room like what she know say here. Remember me, I tell you that because out there wicked in my people. Out there wicked, me start my project from 2020. 2021, and I know I'm still a baba and weave through work and stuff like that. Me no see nobody come to me as family in a Jamaica and say, yo, me drive go up a place, go chill out for 1 day. Me have light up there, we have water up there, we have bed up there. One thing up there, internet and a TV. You understand? And none of my family member never look for me and say, yo, Jay, let me drive go up there and go spend 1 night up there for just balance because you don't know. The place left unoccupied from my family, them come up the place like unoccupied for the last 4, 5 months, 6 months. You understand me? I try to say. So now me no know what I go on. So now me I go take it out of my way because in that day my project, right? Not everybody else's project, and my family project. This is our project. You understand? So then at the day, me not show 100% interest. You think them people are going to show 100% interest if you not get up and show them? No. So what me I do? Me I go so boom and try to work up back some money in the winter time, you know. I mean, I have to go back a yard. I have to go back a yard to start back the project, right? To buy back up some tile and start tile out the place and put up internet and camera. So now we can sit down over here and watch the place properly. Me have a workman pan it, me know, so I can see how that don't look good or this don't look good, and I can see what them I do exactly. And at that, the mindset have to go move to. See how you, right? That's what I talk to. Yeah, man. Your mindset have to go move to that way they say, you know, say you boom. So down in Canada, I see how everything I build, and I see how everything I get done. Yeah, although it will be a little bit more expensive, you know. You get the Starlink internet, you get the solar panel them, you just need a little battery pack. You set up everything, you make a little shad, and you get some camera around the property. You have waterproof outdoor cameras, them have the Blink 4, right? And you set them up around your property now, man, and watch. You can't, bro, 2024 we are going on now, you know. You can't make them people rob we up no more and a thief we up no more. If a bag of cement miss, I want to know who take it, weight gone. One rebar of steel lift up. I want to know who take one length of steel. Because steel not cheap, steel gone to $170,000 now, no, per ton, you know. Remember, I tell you that, you know, nothing not cheap no more, you know. So I just take this out on the head and see, and it go up higher and higher. Everything I go up higher and higher, but you don't really recognize because you don't build. Alright. Next thing to the uptown house them, I go Airbnb and the uptown house them, me I come to no too. Me I come to no next, but me just do and put out the video here just on the earthquake situation as people who's building in Jamaica to really pay attention, close attention when you build your house in Jamaica, and make sure if you can dead here, and if you can't dead here, my people, and if you have the money, pay a contractor. I'm not talking to me, pay a contractor, development person, or even some, you know, see you have some of them people up on YouTube now, well, go around to your property and site to check it out for you because you're not here. Me see, I think the youth them and the Delprat family, yes, me see them, me think them say them start do them type of stuff, service them. You can contact them then in the Delprat family on YouTube. I mean, no, say you have a next couple of other YouTube, I think the next man name Daniel Marshall. You can check him out, he might build that too. But if him not, you know, make use him to build your house, he can go around. But like again, all of these is gonna have extra fees to them, right? But me say if you have the money, cause even if you have somebody who go spy on your property, when you build, even somebody just drive past and look and go and spy all when the workman and they jump all the fence and go over there and videotape everything. So you know if them work boy you lie to you or them not lie to you. I say you have to go do it, man. You have to go be a spy on your own project, man, because nobody have your best interest. You can't build a $50 million house and it come drop down upon you because I want to earthquake because the man him never rebar the foundation wasn't rebar enough properly. Them never use enough cement and sand and gravel to make a foundation sturdy. Them never come up far out of the ground to make a foundation sturdy. And when them do the block up, them not poor, them not even, you know much people. Them not use the steel rebar, them in all of the black column them. Them not full up the black column, them the house not much drop down upon you. But you never did it when the house are built, so how you gonna know? Because remember, you know, once them put up a plaster and paint that up in everything look like it was good, you know. See, when me I build all the upstairs house, I tell the man if you show me all the black pockets them I want to see and if make sure say black cement a go down in that, you're not going to make build nothing. If you come far along for me and my family in that, me couldn't know, you know, over this, you know. Because some man are rabbi, you know, and half-shot people work, you know. Because I rush to go to the next job, you know. I saw no stay more time over there, you know. I say all the contractor them stay, so, you know, or the work mates them, you know. You have good, honest, reliable people in Jamaica where you can count on, you know. But some all the next 15% are shit house them, you know, that me make you know, you know. Yes, so I'm not sure too much in this video though, my people. But sometimes, them topic, even put up all the wall of Jamaica, and you tell me say, the man use up all of the material and left it on top of the house, make it build up. I go over on the work side part, it's part of my mix up. Don't you tell me say, this much left, and you couldn't pick it up and put in the black pockets where I build the wall from. No, you left it there to dry up. So now me if you spend more money again now. Me if you spend more money again to full up the black pockets them, when all of them look material they could have full up black pocket one by one. But no, nobody don't care. Even when you pay them people, them don't care. Them just want money. Them don't know how hard it is to get their money. But them just want your money. Because your money is the only thing that keeping them going and pushing them here. That me make you know. Yes, money keep us and push us to go to work. Right? But them money, them don't care about your work. Them just care about the money. And that is sad part of this, you know, my people. That is sadness, you know. Because me can't give $30 million to build my house. And then it come fall down for me. I quote yo, you got prison, you know, brother. Me I tell you that straight, you know, you got prison, you know, on top of prison, you know, man. Remember me tell you that, you know, man. That's why corruption can't stop in none of them places, you know, because some of the people there, people work too hard. For come back for something, for an earthquake come and mash up a local man them house. To say some man, you know, sometimes our fault too, you know. And we not gonna say, you know, because them have the proper contractors uptown, you know, like the proper builders will go by code. But sometimes we shorten ourselves. Yes, we not gonna lie. Because you go look for a man around the corner who say I'm a mason, but him don't know the real code how to build up these houses now. You understand? And a code you have to go by. Yeah, man, you have to go by the proper parish council code of how to build the house, because you never know. Okay, well, look at earthquake come and he drop down on the man house. One next one, half a film house tear we gone. One next one, barely couldn't see house we left. They understand, you know one of them things that happen to you, my people. So if you have to do it, you spend the money and you go the right way and you go everything code by code, because you don't want to build your nice $50 million mansion and it tear down for you. Because you try to cut costs here and there. No more cutting costs. And that's how I start look on it too. Me I say, yo, tiling alone will cost me almost $1 million for tile out one house. 3-bedroom house. And me I say that too much. But me I say, I know too much because that's the prices for the stuff them now. So yeah, the place now got tile out. I'm going to leave it there. You now got tile out then. It have a tile out, right? So me have to just take my time and save. And you just take your time and save. If I foundation here, do you start off on the foundation and make sure everything start good from the foundation. Make sure the money dig down the foundation or your back cat or back off dig it out. I don't really like the back out them because then dig it look a bit too wide unless you can get the thinner teeth for it, you understand? And you make sure the contractor, the mason man, I go around and I look for all of the whole packets them dig out properly. And when you must steal it up to you, make sure you send your video steal it up properly. The beddings and everything. Yes, man, my people, you can't make nobody run with your money now, man. You know, a long time people are knock out from people from a long time, you know, my people. Them days they don't know, man. We have social media, we have cameras, we have internet, we have everything. We have spy where you can. Yes, so people are pay people for take away people at Jamaica. You need to start pay people.
Right now.
If you go spy on your property. Yeah? To make him know what go on, you tell me what go on over there, look. Now make them know so you're a spy, you know.
Son, I come back out there.
Because I don't want them macy boy to come tell me no lie and make my head get chip over here, so. And I call me, I have to go work next week. Salt chuck. You know, sir. Anytime they can call you, because you're there, yeah? I'm going to talk to you about the one that, you know, Jamaicans don't need to get on a trucking license, but I'm going to do a full dedicating videos and that. And me now say, if you get a trucking license, just go get it if you get a job, you know. Me I tell if you get it, because you never know when a rainy day fall upon you, and your trucking license, you can just make a boom and get a job like that right away. You understand? That's why. But I'm going to make a full video upon that one of my people. But people, just want to say thanks again to everybody who's been liking, sharing up the video them, you know, my people. The last video there, you know, over 20,000 gone. I wish if this one could get the next 20,000 to, you know, my people, and just bring up the subscriber. Like I say, we actually like 5,000 to 10,000 subscribers by December, you know, my birthday, that, you know, my people. I know say short, you know, but we can make it work, right, my people? I know so I like to see my face and like to hear me talk, you know, don't know, you know, my people, so Thanks again for everybody who's been liking and sharing to the subscribing to the 416-876 family dream team. You understand me, people? So I want everybody for just bless up themselves. I hope you're gonna have a good week. The next 2 videos, then my people, the next video is gonna be the next video. And then after that, I think I have an Airbnb one to book. Airbnb I go on some things I had to, you know. The next one gonna be an Airbnb one, and we have a whole heap of more topic. But like me saying, people, me just don't push the topic out before it get too stale. With this earthquake situation, and hopefully this background music not bother me too much, you know. That me I make them know, me come look for you, background music, YouTube. Hold up. Alright, people, thanks again. Like, share, subscribe. It's your boy Jay. I am out.